Every finance team knows this moment. A formula breaks, a number doesn't tie, and the answer is buried somewhere in the ERP. Velixo Intelligence puts AI inside the workbook you already use. One assistant, your personal Excel power user, ERP analyst, and Velixo expert all in one. You don't pick a tool, you ask. And behind that one prompt box, the right expert answers. The support agent answers anything instantly without a ticket. The guide agent makes live changes to your workbook. The analyst agent surfaces the variances before anyone asks. The query builder agent pulls the right data the right way. And the report designer agent turns a sentence into a boardroom-ready report. With the vx.ask function, the commentary lives in the cell. Refresh the workbook, then email it to the board or send it to audit. All of it reads from your live general ledger. No cube, no data warehouse. The number the AI explains is the number on your GL. Velixo Intelligence is available now. Get started at velixo.com.